Hello everyone, welcome back to Varite. In this video, we will see how Python is used in data science. Python has become most popular programming language for data analysis, machine learning and artificial intelligence. If you are a beginner in data science or looking to enhance your skills, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the tools used in data science, the evaluation of Python, Python as a programming language, a comparisons between Python and Java, and the key advantages of Python in data science. So let's dive in. Popular tools used in data science. Data science involves various steps like data collection, pre-processing, analysis, visualization, and handling large data sets. Different tools are used at each stage. Let's look at the most commonly used tools. Data pre-processing and analysis. Before we analyze data, we need to clean and pre-process it. The most commonly used tools for this are Python or Microsoft Excel, SAS, SPSS. Once we process the data, we need to explore and visualize it using Tableau, QlikView, Excel. When working with massive data sets, we need parallel computing. The tools for this include Apache Spark, Apache Hadoop. Next, evolution of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. It was designed to be simple and readable. There are three major versions of Python. Python 1.0 in 1991, the first release with basic features. Next, Python 2.0 here introduced garbage collection and list comprehensions. Next, Python 3.0 in the year 2008 improved syntax, Unicode support and better performance. Today, Python 3.x is widely used in data science and machine learning. Next, Python as a programming language. Python is a high-level programming language with many features that make it powerful yet simple to use. It supports multiple programming paradigms. Python supports functional programming. It uses lambda functions and map or reduce. Next, structural programming that uses loops, conditionals and functions. Then object-oriented programming that supports classes, objects and inheritance. Next, dynamic typing. Unlike Java or C++, Python does not require you to declare variable types explicitly. This makes coding faster and more flexible. Reference counting, that means garbage collection. Python automatically manages memory. When an object is no longer used, it is removed from memory. Next, late binding. Methods and variables are resolved at runtime, allowing for more flexible coding. The default Python interpreter is CPython, maintained by the Python Software Foundation. But there are other interpreters including JPython that runs on Java Virtual Machine, IronPython that runs on C#.NET, Stackless Python that used for parallel computing, then Python for Python that uses just-in-time comparisons for faster execution. Python standard libraries are written in Python itself, making them easy to understand and use. Python is highly supported by a large community group. It better handles errors. Many people ask, should I learn Python or Java? Let's compare them. Java is statically typed, that is, type safety is checked during the static compilation. Thus in Java, the time required to develop the code is more. Python, which is dynamically typed, compensates for huge compilation time when compared to Java. So the codes which are dynamically typed tend to be less verbose, therefore offering more readability. Advantages of using Python. Python has many advantages that make it the top choice for data science. Let's go over them. Open source and free. Python is developed under an open source license, making it free to use and distributed. Python syntax is clean and easy to learn. It has extensive libraries. The libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn simplify data analysis and machine learning. Then Python works well with AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. A strong global community ensures continuous improvements. Python's built-in error handling features make debugging easier. So, Python is an excellent choice for data science because of its simple syntax and ease of use. It has a rich set of libraries for data manipulation and visualization. It has wide support for machine learning and AI applications. Also, it has a strong community and industry adoption. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Varai Tech. Thank you.